Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to use some search operators in your Google search. So first, what you're going to want to do to find the Google search operators is if you go to the Google homepage and go to bottom right, settings, then you're going to want to go to search settings. Advanced search, not search settings. That would bring you to a completely different place. Advanced search. And what you're going to want to do, I think you remember this, all the way down, then you're going to want to go to Use Operators in Search Bar. This will bring you up to a bunch of different search operators that you can use, such as searching for social media. If you put an @ in front of it, then it automatically searches in the social media aspect of the internet. No one likes the internet. Search hashtags. You can search some hashtags. Okay. You can exclude some words in your search. So, like, if you want to Jaguar speed, but you don't want to see the car Jaguar, then you do Jaguar speed minus car. Or if you want to see the exact phrase or word, you just put quotations around it. Quotations, tallest building. Or if you want to leave a placeholder, such as if it's for like some cards, some setting cards and stuff like that, you could just put the largest, and then you put the little star in the world as an example. And then you can do the ranging numbers. You can do combined searches like marathon or race if it has both. If it has one of the two. That. Or if you want to look for a specific site, you can do site : and then anything you want, like .gov, .edu, or if you want to look up a really specific site like youtube.com. There's different stuff, you just gotta look for it. Play around with it. It's really cool. And that is how you use operators in your Google search bar. Thank you, and have a wonderful night.